Hello, friends. This is MaxBot, your guide to the world of effective trading and new solutions. I am a trader with 10 years of experience. I am helped by a smart bot that scans the market and gives detailed reports on key indicators very quickly. The robot is absolutely free to take the first 20 people, the link in the description. Who will not have time, will be able to make only a paid subscription. Hurry up, do not miss new interesting videos, click to subscribe to the channel and the bell. Put a like and write comments, I will be very happy about it. I started working on the currency pair British pound, American dollar, time frame 2 minutes. I received a signal from the robot for the 5-minute time frame to understand the prospects and dynamics. The robot showed me 6 bearish indicators and a recommendation, active sell. I decided that on the 2-minute time frame, I could take advantage of the local upside before the bears started to increase the pressure. That's why I pressed the green button. I saw opportunities to capitalize on the remaining bullish strength on the short interval. Friends, pay attention. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for each participant. Yes, you will become stronger. We have a group in Telegram. In it we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. The comeback is greater than the setback. Let's be real. If you've been in the trading game for any amount of time, especially in options with currency pairs, you felt it. That gut punch when a trade goes south. You analyze, you click, and boom. The candle moves the other way. You sit there staring at the screen, thinking, why'd I even bother? But listen up. Every trader, every single one, has been there. Warren Buffett didn't wake up a billionaire. He started investing at 11 and made his first real money by flipping pinball machines and newspapers. Michael Jordan? Cut from his high school basketball team. Steve Jobs? Fired from his own company. These aren't setbacks, they're chapters in the bigger story of greatness. You're writing yours right now. Meanwhile, I closed my first trade in the plus side. Yeah, it worked. Now I'll work with another currency pair, the US and Canadian dollar, for 2 minutes. $700 is my investment. I get detailed reports from the neural network very quickly. The robot immediately makes a recommendation. An active sell. 9 indicators are screaming about the strength of bears on the 5-minute time frame. I am ready to use this opportunity on the 2-minute expiry time frame. Yes, the sellers are going to start pushing now. Before we talk dreams and Lambos, let's lock in what keeps you in the game long enough to win. Money management. If you're risking 10 to 20% of your deposit per trade, you're not trading, you're gambling. That's like showing up to a UFC fight without knowing how to block. You need to preserve your capital. The 1 to 2% rule is not just a suggestion, it's survival. If your deposit is $100, don't go throwing $10 on a whim. Keep it tight, $1 or $2 max. That's how you weather storms and build consistency. Now I want you to hit the comments right now and tell me, what percent of your deposit do you usually risk on a single trade? Let's see how you manage your capital and help each other improve. Technical Analysis 101. Read the language of the market. Charts don't lie. They tell stories. You just need to learn how to read them. Start simple. Look at support and resistance. These aren't magic lines, they're where buyers and sellers fight. Know your moving averages, they're like footprints of price action. Master candlestick patterns, they're the emojis of the market. Engulfing patterns? Reversals. Doji candles? Indecision. Learn RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. These indicators don't guarantee success, but they tip the odds in your favor. And every time you place a trade, ask yourself, what's the story this chart is telling me? So, $532 came into my pocket. Yeah, it was a good job. I'm ready to do the final transaction right now and build on the success. You don't need a genius IQ, you need grit. This isn't rocket science. It's not about being the smartest, it's about being the most relentless. Trading is like going to the gym. You don't get six-pack abs after one workout. You show up every day. You learn. You adapt. You track your progress. So, Active Cell is the new recommendation from artificial intelligence for the 5-minute time frame. 10 indicators are burning red, signaling a strong seller's attitude. I believe this data is relevant for my 2-minute time frame as well. The bears are activating now. The market has felt overbought. I hit the red button. I know traders, real people, who quit their jobs to trade full-time. Not because they were lucky, but because they were consistent. They followed a system. They took notes. They reviewed their trades. They grew. Now, they live life on their own terms. And you can too. Trading is risk. Just like anything worthwhile. Don't let anyone sell you a dream without mentioning the risk. Trading is not easy money. It's a business. And every business comes with risk. But risk is not the enemy, uncontrolled risk is. You control it with rules, discipline, and emotional intelligence. So don't get emotional. Don't revenge trade. Don't chase losses. Deposit size matters, but so does responsibility. Here's the truth. If you trade with $100 and you follow 1% rules, your profit per win is around 80 cents. But with $1,000, that's $8 per trade. And that compounds quickly. Bigger deposits give you more room, more flexibility, and more profit per setup. But, and this is key, do not overextend. Never put in money you can't afford to lose. Always stay within your budget. Always follow the rules. That's how you grow like a pro, not blow up like a firework on the 4th of July. So, I reached the finish line. Yes, I got the situations right and the robot helped me stay alert. In 3 trades, I earned $1,520. Subscribe to our informative Telegram channel. Write to my manager to start training. The link is in the description. See you soon.